Hi traders, welcome back to BloomFX. I'm Madi B and I just finished to do the weekly analysis only on the pairs that I have a huge interest this week. That means that I will play them, okay? And these pairs will be like gold, euro USD, GU, euro GPY, okay? And for the people that they are already on my VIP signal group, they will receive also analysis on the daily and the 4 hour, and like this they will have a precise entry on the trades that we will do it together, okay? And for a moment I would love to start with EURJPY, and as we can see here, EURJPY, we have the chart on the monthly, and as I said last week, I will continue to search on a massive sell, but a closure even for 1 day over 127,500, I will prepare for a buy, okay? But this week a close above the expected target, and now I'm preparing to buy something like 250 pips up to the end of the trend line formed in the last 10 years, okay? So here we have the trend line. This means that in the case of a closure below 126.050, we will see a collapse in the area of 120, where is it, 12700, okay, which is around here. So please don't go into a trade without any precise confirmation, okay? And however, a close below 127,500 even for 1 day makes me think of a sell up to the 126, which is around here, 126.050, and then the price will go up again, okay? So please have a note, this pair may be influencing the short term by any news, and please have a great attention because our analysis have an accuracy of over 80% due to the market manipulation during this period. We will avoid putting exactly values of stop losses, okay? Let me continue with euro USD, and the euro USD, we have here a chart on the weekly, okay? And as I said last week, even if he didn't make a big move, I will follow the same idea of how you say, as last week, okay? Take into account the chart of 1 month, let's say just a miracle that could still prevent me for a reach of 1.25, a close even on 1 day above 1.21930, okay, forced me to follow a buy towards 1.23, which is around this area, okay, or even 1.25. Otherwise I will keep looking for a sell, let's say for at least 200, 300, 350 pips, let's say like this, okay? This week I will follow last week's idea and look for a sell until the 1.2600, okay? Which is around here, exactly on this area. And then maybe the price will go up again. However, a close even for 1 day below 1.2400, okay, which is around this area here, it's below the Fibonacci 0.382, okay, will make me continue with the idea of a sell until the Fibonacci area of 0.618, okay? So please have a note that this pair may be influencing the short term by any news, and in this period I will avoid putting exactly values on of stop losses right now because we don't know exactly how the price will move. But before going into a trade, please you must have a confirmation, okay, a solid confirmation. Let's continue with euro GBP. For Euro GBP, I can say that remember last week I said at the close, even for 1 day below the 0.87150 level will force me to think about of a sell up to the Fibonacci 786 level, and maybe the price to go up again. Okay, but this week Euro GPY closed below the Fibonacci 618. Okay, so here we have the Fibonacci 618, a very strong area, very strong support. Okay, and it's heading towards the strategic area of Fibonacci 786, which is around here. Let's say at the value of 0.85474. Okay, somewhere there. Plus where we have the trend line. Okay, plus a very strong support forming in the recent years, from where I think that the price will reject, and it will come back up again. Okay, because as you can see, we have these multiple rejections here, and we do have a very strong zone, and I believe that the price, if will continue to fall, then maybe it will reject from 0.786 Fibonacci area. Okay, however, if it closed the month below the Fibonacci level, I will see a change in the trend and I will look for a sell. Okay, please have a note that this pair again may be influenced in the short term by any news, and please have a great attention that in this period we will avoid putting exactly values of stop losses. Okay, now let's continue with gold. And with the gold, as I said last week, I said that gold closed below the Fibonacci 618 level, and I'm preparing for a sell around the Fibonacci 786 area. That is until 1756 area, and then maybe to go up again. But this week, exactly as I said last week, okay, gold has reached the Fibonacci 786 area, okay, which is around here, and now I'm looking for a strong buy until 1876 area. Okay, so that means that I am expecting for the price to break a 618 and to maybe to touch 0.5 Fibonacci area. Okay, however, a closure even on a day under 1756 will make me change strategy, how you say, my strategy for a sell, because traders are not now reorienting towards the crypto market, which seems much more exciting, okay, than playing to gold. Again, please have a note that this pair may be influenced in the short term by any news, and have a great attention that I will avoid putting exactly values of stop losses during this period. Okay, so if you want to trade this pair, please trade only with a confirmation. Okay, let's continue with GBPUSD. And GBPUSD, here we have the chart on the monthly. Okay, and as I said last week, GU closed at above 1.37800, and as I said, I will look for a buy up to 142, even 1.45. Okay, and now I am waiting for a correction to 1.37800 area, and then maybe the price to continue to go up again. Now this week, as I said in December, if you remember, GBPUSD is heading towards closing the W formation, and this is the W formation. Okay, and if the theory is respected, we will have a sell of at least 500 or 700 pips in the 1.41 where is it, 1.41500 area. Okay, or even sooner. Okay, so we have to wait and to see exactly where the price will close, because I'm expecting that the price will reject from this area and then to come back down again. Okay. And again, please have a note that this pair may be influenced in the short term by any news, and please have a great attention, because during this period we will avoid putting exactly values of stop losses. And now let me go to the last pair that I will trade next week, and it's about AUD/USD. And here we have a monthly chart. Okay, and if you remember, last week I said that the close even for 1 day over 0.78 where is it, 78300, okay, which is here, will force me to consider for a buy up to 1.81400. Okay, now this week I will look for a buy up to 0.81400. Okay, let me show you, it's around here. Okay, here is the area, and from there to have it sell for at least, I don't know, 550, 600, okay, let's say 700, something somewhere in that direction. Okay, but however, a close even on 1 day below 0.78300, which is around this area, okay, where we have the green line, will make me think of a sell right around this area. Okay, and I'm expecting the price to shoot down again and to retest this 0.71800 area. Okay, and please have a great attention that our analysis have an accuracy of over 80% due to the market manipulation during this period. I am telling you that we will avoid putting exactly values of stop losses, and we also recommend avoiding short-term trades during this period, because news can appear at any time that this can stabilize the market. Okay, and please don't forget, this is just a trend analysis, and please give a like if you find this useful. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I am waiting for you on my VIP group chat. Okay, and all the information you can have that on my website on the bloomfx.com, and here you can have all the information about the signals, about the EA, which is, by the way, a fantastic tool to make very fast money. And of course, if you want to learn more about the Forex, you can take our intensive courses, and you have the option to learn one-to-one, okay, with me. And you can have 4 sessions of courses with me. Okay, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. And for those that they want to learn something, they can come almost every day to YouTube, and there I give a free education plus tips, because when I find the occasion to take a trade, I will take it live, and you'll be able to take it with me too. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please don't overtrade, don't risk more than 2% of your account, and see you Monday on the market, and I wish you a profitable week. Thank you. Bye.